Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to fix something which is very annoying for me, being a PC-centric user moving over to Macintosh, and that is how to get Discord to actually run on Startup on a Mac. You'd think it would be very straightforward and simple. On a PC it's really easy. You just go into the settings, go down to the bit just underneath language where it says Windows Settings, and turn on Automatic Startup and Start Minimized if you wanted to. But for Mac, it's a very different process. So let's head over to the computer and take a closer look. Okay, so here we are on our Mac OS desktop. So this is Mac OS 15, I believe. Probably soon to be 26 or however they start naming it. Anyway, I digress. So if you want Discord to run as a default on Startup, normally on Windows, you go to the settings cog here in Discord itself, go into Windows settings and just choose Automatic Startup. But for some bizarre reason, that is not available on the Mac OS version of it. So what we need to do is go to the system cog or system settings. You can get to this from various areas, from the Apple logo or from your taskbar if you've had it open previously. So open up system settings and you've got various settings here. So go into general, which is normally the first one to open anyway. Then go into login items and extensions down here. Click on that. And then you've got this section here, open at login. So essentially any program you want to run when you actually log into your machine, you can add to here. So for us in this instance, I want Discord to run. So I'm going to click on the plus icon and then it will open up your applications folder. Then you can just find your Discord app or whichever app you want to choose. Click on open and there you go. So that is now the application is going to open and that's going to open at login. Now, obviously, if you get a lot of these in here, or there's some items that you don't actually want to run on Startup, then you can just highlight them and click on the minus button. So if we don't want Discord to run anymore, click on it, click on there, and there we go, it's gone. So I'm going to add it back in because I do actually want it to run. And there we go. So that is all you need to do. So on the next reboot, you'll find Discord will automatically run on Startup. So there you go, it's pretty easy once you know how. So if you want to bookmark this video, feel free to do so. Again, as I'm a PC user, launching into the world of Mac, things are getting a little bit traumatic and I'm kind of making my way through. If you've got any comments or suggestions on things a Windows user can do on a Mac, then yeah, please let me know in the comments section because this is somewhat of a uphill battle. Anyway, hopefully this video's been useful. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe and also the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.